Fucking good, I'ma make them talk to me. These loyal assholes can't ride with the gang next time, I'ma make them walk to me. These bitches ain't real, they flogging. These squirtum ass niggas keep calling. Capping ass nigga, you ain't getting no paper. You just like these bitches you sponsor. Big bad love when they talk to me. Fucking good, I'ma make them talk to me.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kay, and welcome back to my channel, Too Real and Raw, where we keep everything real and we keep everything raw. Come on, act like you know about it. Today's video is going to be a baby hair tutorial. As you can see, the babies is out and the babies is stepping, honey. So if you want to learn how to get your edges nice and wispy and laid, stay tuned for the video. Without further ado, roll the clip. Peace out.
First thing I like to do when I do my baby hairs is I like to frame my face and figure out how I want my baby hairs to look when I finish them. So right now I'm just pulling out my baby hairs and trying to figure out how I would like them to look when I'm done. This process can take however long, but for me it doesn't really take that long for me to do. Once I figure out how I want my edges to look, I then take my product and apply it on my baby hairs. I then take my brush and do a swooping method to seal my baby hairs. And throughout this process, you can also pull out any baby hair that you would not like to be a part of the swoop. And I'm just combing the edge control through my baby hairs and just trying to finalize my baby hair. I did end up putting some edge control on the edge bottom because I did want my edges to curl at the end. I'm then gonna do the same steps all over again for the rest of my head. Just gonna finalize that one last edge, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the other side. And I'm just gonna repeat the same steps that I did the first time. And I do like to compare both sides of my edges just to make sure they look the same. I am not a fan of having two different styles of edges on each side. I do like for my edges to look the same. So I'm just going to complete that same step all over again. And make sure when you do your edges, you continue to look at them just to make sure that you're getting the look that you desire. And I'm going to do the same swoop that I did on the other side and seal that as well. The last step that I'm going to do is my top baby hairs, just to complete the whole look. And as you can see, I do like to experiment with my baby hairs before I complete them. I'm just going to seal those. And that is the complete look of my baby hairs. I also like to pull out extra hairs on the side just to frame my face. Also, I do like a messy bun look when I do my space buns.
So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you loved the video. I hope you learned how to do your edges. And if you want me to do a review on this bad baby right here, let me know in the description below, because I definitely want to review this, girl. That's coming in. But yes, I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know it's real. If you want to see me some more other than on YouTube, follow me on Instagram at @SuRealAndRaw, Snapchat tbhki. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on Friday. Peace the fuck out.
Can't ride with the gang next time, I'm making walk to me. These bitches ain't real, they flogging. These squirtum ass niggas keep calling. Capping ass nigga, you ain't getting no paper. You just like these bitches you sponsor.